Donald Duck was painting his newly bought car. Suddenly, a pesky bird landed on it. It left footprints all over the fresh paint. Donald's hard work was ruined. Not knowing the culprit, he repainted the car. He quickly caught up with the strolling bird. The bird lifted its foot, revealing its mischief. Donald tried to shoo it away, but he had to repaint yet again. The bird tangled in a string, tying Donald to the car. It used the string for nest building. Donald ended up in a paint bucket. He splashed paint on the bird in frustration. The bird provocatively took a bath in his water basin. Water splashed, ruining the paint again. The bird pulled a string from the car seat. Their tug-of-war led to a mess. Donald accidentally triggered the car's accelerator. The car crashed, stripping off all the paint. The bird took the string from his hat. Donald lost his temper and chased the bird. He chopped down a tree in his rage. The bird was protecting her nest. Feeling guilty, Donald calmed down.